Today, I am in the beautiful Northern Rivers of northern New South Wales. What a spot this is. Anyway, I drove down here today because KFC is trialling a brand new chicken that they want to bring out called the Nashville Chicken. It comes in a $4.95 fill-up box too. So I'm going to whip in to the Murwillumbah KFC and grab one and let's suss it out and see what this new Nashville KFC chicken's like. Let's go. Alright, well this KFC's got a drive-through. So let's use it.
Welcome to KFC, yeah, now.
Can I get your Nashville fill-up box, please?
Yep. Anything else, sir?
That's all today, thanks.
Drive down, thank you.
Cheers. I hope it's $4.95. I guess we'll find out soon enough. Can I get the receipt too, please? Thank you. Gotta get the receipt. Awesome, thank you. Yes! Got the receipt. Woohoo! More excited about the receipt than the chicken. $4.95. How do they even do it? I don't know how they do it, but I'm glad they do. Awesome. Thank you. See ya. What is going on here? Anyway. Oh, it smells amazing. Got to find somewhere to park now so we can chuck it on the scales and tuck on in. Oh. If I can even get out of the drive-through, I will. Okay, well there does seem to be quite a bit of packaging inside this, but we'll just give a guesstimate. 493 grams, I reckon. In reality, it's probably 450 grams worth of food. Maybe even less. Anyway, let's see what we actually get inside this big old bag. All right, well I got a couple of those things. I got one of whatever that is. Ooh, a potato and gravy with Dooney. Ooney written on it? Don't know what that's all about. Oh, we've got a chips here. Great! And here must be the Nashville Chicken. Da 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 da. Whoa! Check it out! That looks spicy. Now the $4.95 Nashville fill-up is supposed to be hot southern-style sauce drizzled over 2 pieces of hot and crispy chicken with golden chips, crinkle-cut pickles, a soft dinner roll, and a rich potato and gravy. Alright, well I can see the chicken there. I got the chips, I got the potato and gravy, but no dinner roll. Yes! Can't stand those dinner rolls. But I've been given something else to replace it. I wonder what it could be. Oh, it is a dinner roll that they shoved in a box. Yeah. Oh well. I was really hoping it was popcorn chicken, but I guess that'll do. Anyway, $4.95 for that. Doesn't look too bad a feed. Well, let's see what the Murwillumbah KFC's chips are like. See if they're crispy and well seasoned. Or soggy and bland. Well, that was a bit of a mix of them both. They were soggy and well seasoned. Tastes like they must have been sitting in that Bain Marie for a good hour and a half. Now, it comes with this crinkle-cut pickle. Who would have thought KFC would come up with something like that? I wonder if the pickling vinegar had 11 secret herbs and spices in it. I'm guessing it didn't. Now, it's all about this Nashville chicken that they've got. Look at that sauce there. It's looking pretty good. Nice colour. Wonder how spicy it'll be. Well. It is a creeper. It is pretty spicy. Like, a lot spicier than I was sort of imagining. Maybe that's why they give you a pickle, so it cools your mouth down a bit. But the flavour of it is just like a hot chili sauce. Slightly sweet, kind of a bit grainy. Anyway, let's see what it tastes like. Oh man. I got the flavour of that hot and crispy KFC coating, and boy, was it good. I think it is complementing the hot sauce. Or is it the other way around? Either way, I'm enjoying it. Oh, nice and spicy. Super delicious KFC coating. And that piece of chicken is nice and thick. Oh yeah. Oh man. This one is even bigger. So hopefully I'll enjoy it even more. It does have a cavernous gouge in the back of it though. I mean, just on its own, that coating is delicious. But with the sauce, it's spicy, and this pickle gives it a little bit of sweetness. So, well, maybe you're supposed to put the pickle on there and eat it together. The pickle might help cool some of that spiciness down. Yeah, I'm digging that. I'm digging it so much that I think I'll put some on one of their bread rolls and see if it tastes good that way. I'll get rid of some of this doughy filling though. No one needs that many carbs. Right. Bit of pickle. Okay. Let's go. Nah, I ruined it. It's not tasting too bad actually. Although, I prefer it without this horrible soggy bun. And I did get a spoon for some mashed potato and gravy. Uni's mashed potato and gravy. I hope that doesn't spell don't, and well, they weren't supposed to sell this one because they wrote on it, don't sell it. Well, they did, and it's too late now. Maybe it's laced with something that grows really well in the northern rivers of New South Wales. Might take half an hour to kick in if it does. Yeah, pretty average. The problem is my tongue is so on fire from that hot sauce that the flavour of this has been ruined. It tastes flavourless and saltless and pretty boring and average. Anyway, I think I've had enough of this meal now to know what score it's getting out of 10. Well, value-wise, $4.95 for about the 450 grams worth of food. Mate, it's an absolute bargain. Flavour-wise, well, I really enjoyed the Nashville chicken. It was beautiful. It was very spicy, though, like super spicy, but mixed in with that hot and crispy, crunchy KFC coated chicken, mate. Oh boy, was it good. Unless you don't like spicy food, of course, then it sucked. The chips were soggy, but they were seasoned well enough. The mashed potato and gravy, they tasted pretty average, especially after eating that hot and spicy chicken. And the chicken, well, the chicken's really nice. I really like the coating on it. Fiery, tasty. The pickle was very pickly, and, well, when you blended it together, it was just a beautiful mix, and, oh, boy, did it blend in well together. I thought it was really tasty. And I'm pretty sure it is the sort of chicken that they'd bring out everywhere, especially nowadays where everyone loves spicy. Well, not everyone, but I do. And this was a really nice spice. It tasted good. It fulfilled all my needs. It overachieved, actually. I really enjoyed it. So for my Oliver value, Oliver flavour, Oliver taste, Oliver everything score for the $4.95 Nashville fill-up box, mate, I think there's only one score I can give that. And that score is... Oh, yeah. Oh. 8 out of 10. Would have got 10 out of 10, but mate, this bread roll, I mean, horrible. And after you've eaten that chicken, well, the mashed potato and gravy doesn't taste very good at all. It doesn't blend together with the other ingredients. They probably could have done something else, maybe some popcorn chicken or something, but anyway, the Nashville chicken is really tasty, super spicy, but very enjoyable. And, well, the fill-up box is pretty good too. I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. I think I might go down to that river there, and, well, I'm sure there's going to be some ibis around. They'll like this bread roll. Or will they? If you've made it this far in the video, why don't you show it some thumbing love, subscribe for more of the best Aussie food reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat at KFC. See you then.
Oh, mate, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are